Hey there, Salesforce family. Walters954 from salesforcementor.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to simulate Salesforce One Mobile in your Chrome browser. It's going to be super simple to get done. We're just going to use some scary tools. All right, let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and get into the console. There's many different ways to do this. The way I like to is just pressing F12 on my keyboard. It's at the top right. And boom, the console has opened up. Mine is on the right panel. If yours is in a different, maybe awkward location, you can scroll over to the ellipsoids at the top here, and you see that this dock side, if we wanted to move it around, we could. All right, let me put this back. And then the next step, we're gonna go ahead and toggle device toolbar. So this will basically put the screen into a mobile view. Next, for the magic, we actually need to come up to the top of the URL, remove everything after the .com/, and we're going to type in one/one.app. Hit enter. We're going to see that Salesforce Mobile pulls up. Now we have all the functionality of Salesforce One Mobile inside of our Chrome browser. We can look at our dashboards, go to our groups. We can even go into our records, scroll through them. There we have it. And we have our mobile quick actions at the bottom here. Just in case the screen was a little bit too small for you, there's some other device presets in here. My favorite is responsive, where we can change the actual width and the height of the screen. One additional thing is if we need to zoom in here, we can do that. It'll keep the dimensions the same. And there you have it, using Salesforce One Mobile and Chrome. This is very good for demoing or testing. I would always recommend testing on an actual device, but this is a very good starting point. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe so you can always be updated on any new videos I'm coming out with. And remember, I believe in you.